Hello friends, I am HL Gupta. I am going to discuss illustration number 15 of CMA Inter Cost Accounting. Okay, this illustration from the contract costing. Please read the questions here. Look at it. Illustration number 15. The information given under has been extracted from the books of the contractor relating to the contract for rupees 3,75,000. This is a contract for rupees 3,75,000. First year, second year, and third year. Amount is given already here, and material expenditure, direct expenses, indirect expenses, wages are given, total work satisfied is given, work unsatisfied is given, plant is given here, the value of the plant end of the year 4,000 at the first year, second year 2,500, and third year it was 1,000. It is customary to pay 90% in cash. 90% is cash in cash of the amount of work justified. Prepare the contract accounts and show how the figure would appear in the balance sheet. How this figure will appear in the balance sheet, that you have to also represent. Okay, now first you have to make the contract for the first year, contract for the second year, contract for the third year, and at the end of third year contract is going to be finished, and all the 3,75,000 work is your completed certified. Okay, contract account first year. Contract account first year. Look at it. First year. Particular. This your amount. This is your particular. This is your amount. This is in rupees. This is in rupees. Okay, what are the expenditure in first year? Raw material 45,000, direct expense 1750, indirect expense 750, wages 42,500, total work satisfied, unsatisfied the plant is given. Okay, to material 45,000, to direct expenses as per information given in above 1750, to indirect expenses 750, to wages. Look at it. Wages is 42,500. 42,500. 42,500. To plant 5,000. Total this cost is 91,000. 91,000. Look at it. By plant at the end of first year. Look at it in the questions. The value of plant at the end of first year is 4,000, second year 2,500, and third year 1,000. Okay, this is the value of plant is 4,000. By cost of contract to date carry down, cost of the contract to date carry down. So this is your 95,000. This is your 95,000. Weights. This is I think 95,000. 95,000. After adding this is a 95,000. This is a 91,000. 95,000 to cost of the contract to date brought down 91,000 by work in progress. Work in progress. Work certified, please look at it. Work certified 87,500. 87,500. Work uncertified, here is 0. 2 by profit and loss, in this case loss, 3,500. 91,000. This is 91,000. This is the contract account for the first year. Loss is taken 100% to loss. 100% loss is transferred to the profit and loss account of the organization, of the organizer. Now I am going to make the profit and loss contract account for the second year. Contract account for second year. Amount rupees. Okay, look at it. To work in progress, the work in progress which is satisfied in the first year. To work in progress 87,500. Now material is utilized in this case. Material 55,000. Direct expenses 6250. Indirect expenses 1,000. Total wages 57,500. Total work certified is given here. Work uncertified is also given here. All these informations are considered. To raw material. Raw material 55,000. 55,000 to direct expenses. Direct expenses 6250. 6250 to indirect expenses. Indirect expenses 1,000 to wages 57,500. 57,500 to plant 4,000. This is the plant of first year and this plant. This is a 4,000. Okay. Now by plant at the second year of this 2,500 by cost of the contract to date, what will be total expenditure up to here 2,11,250. 2,11,250. by cost of contract to date brought down, carry down 2,11,250. 2,08,000, 2,08,750, 2,08,750. Now 2,11,250. This to cost of contract to date brought down 2,08,750. Work in progress. Work satisfied 2,82,500. Work uncertified is given 5,000. This is total 2,87,500. Okay, 2,87,500. Now what will be the notional profit? To notional profit, the difference of these will be 2,87,500. The difference of this will be notional profit, that is 78,750. 78,750. Now look at it. 3,75,000 is the value of total contract. Work satisfies the 2,82,500. Now working note I am going to make. Calculation of profit transferred to profit and loss account. Work certified percentage 2,82,500 out of 3,75,000 is what? This is more than 50%. This is more than 50%. Percentage of profit, percentage not, profit transferred to profit and loss account. Profit transfer to profit and loss account in this case. How it is calculated? Please try to understand. Profit transfer to profit and loss account. This is 2/3 notional profit into cash received work certified. 2/3 into 78,750. In the question it is saying 90% of the work satisfied is paid as a cash. 90% of the work satisfied is paid as a cash. Here 90% is paid. Okay, that's why in this case you write the 0.90. This will be 47,250. 47,250. You write here by notional profit 78,750 to profit and loss account 47,250. 47,250 to reserve 31,500. To reserve 31,500. Total 78,750. 78,750. This is 78,750. Okay. Now I am going to make the contract account for the third year. Okay, contract account for third year. Debit, credit, particular, this is the amount, particular, this is your amount. Okay, to work in progress, work in progress, 2,87,500. This information will come from here. 2 lakh work certified, 2,87,500. This is okay. 2,87,500. To plant, 250. To material, 31,500. 31,500. To direct expenses, 2,500. To wages, 42,500. By plant here, 1,000. By cost of contract to date, carry down, 3,65,250. Total cost will be what? Total 3,66,250. 3,66,250. Okay. Thereafter, by cost of contract to date, brought down, 3,65,250. 3,65,250. By reserve, what was the reserve in first, second, third year? 31,500. This is a 31,500. You write here 31,500 to contract. By contracting, whole amount will be paid by the contractee because of all the work has been completed. Okay, by contractee account, T account, contractee account, that is 3,75,000. Total we have 4,06,500. Okay, this is 4,06,500. 2. This is the 2. Okay, to profit and loss account. Now whole profit is transferred to the profit and loss account of the organization. This is 41,250. The difference is this. Okay, now we have to make balance sheets. Balance sheet as on, balance sheet as on. liability amount, assets amount, this is in rupees. Look at it, this is on first year. Work in progress 87,000, 87,500. Cash received 90%, 78,750, 8750. Plant 4,000. Second year, work in progress 2,87,500, 87,500. Cash received minus 90%, minus 2,54,250. This is 33,250, 250 minus reserve 31,500, 1750. Plant 2,500. Third year, this is a plant 2,500. Okay, now reserve is here. $1,000. चलिए आपके बुक में 2,500 लिखा है. चलिए, ओके, थैंक यू क्लास. Please like, subscribe and share my video.